Looking for a luxurious Red Sea getaway that combines modern comfort with traditional Egyptian hospitality? The Renaissance Sharm El Sheikh Golden View Beach Resort might just be the perfect destination for your next vacation. This upscale property sits right on the stunning coastline of Sharm El Sheikh, offering guests direct access to some of the most beautiful beaches and coral reefs in the world. Whether you are planning a romantic escape, a family adventure, or simply need to disconnect from the daily grind, this resort promises an experience that blends relaxation with excitement. The property is part of the renowned Renaissance Hotels brand, which means you can expect a certain level of quality and service that the chain is known for worldwide. But does this particular location live up to the brand's reputation? Let's dive deep into what makes this resort tick, from the rooms where you will rest your head to the activities that will keep you entertained throughout your stay. When it comes to accommodations, the Renaissance Sharm El Sheikh Golden View Beach Resort offers a variety of room types designed to cater to different traveler needs and preferences. The standard rooms provide comfortable sleeping arrangements with modern amenities that ensure a pleasant stay. These rooms typically feature contemporary decor that reflects both international style and local Egyptian touches, creating an atmosphere that feels both familiar and exotic. Most rooms come equipped with air conditioning, which is absolutely essential in the Egyptian climate, flat-screen televisions for entertainment, and comfortable bedding that helps you recover from long days spent exploring or lounging by the beach. The bathrooms are well appointed with showers, complimentary toiletries, and everything you need for your daily routine. For those seeking a bit more space and luxury, the resort offers suite options that provide separate living areas, perfect for families or guests who simply want more room to spread out. These suites often come with enhanced amenities and may include additional perks like better views or upgraded bathroom facilities. Speaking of views, depending on which room category you book, you might find yourself waking up to stunning vistas of the Red Sea, with its impossibly blue waters stretching to the horizon, or you might overlook the resort's lush gardens and pool areas. Some rooms feature private balconies or terraces where you can enjoy your morning coffee while watching the sunrise over the water, which honestly is one of those experiences that makes any vacation feel special. The rooms are designed with functionality in mind, offering adequate storage space for your belongings, work desks for those who might need to catch up on emails, and comfortable seating areas. Family rooms are available for those traveling with children, providing configurations that can accommodate extra beds or cribs. The resort understands that modern travelers have connectivity needs, so wireless internet access is typically available in the rooms, though speeds and reliability can vary, as is common in resort destinations. Climate control is individually adjustable in most rooms, allowing you to set the temperature to your personal comfort level. The housekeeping staff maintains the rooms to high standards, with daily cleaning services ensuring that you return to a fresh and tidy space after your daily adventures. Mini fridges or minibars are standard in many room categories, perfect for keeping drinks cold or storing snacks. The decor tends toward a contemporary style with warm color palettes that create a welcoming atmosphere after a day in the sun. Sound insulation is generally good, helping to ensure peaceful nights of sleep, though rooms closer to entertainment areas might experience some ambient noise during evening hours. Overall, the accommodations strike a balance between comfort and functionality, providing a solid base for your Sharm El Sheikh experience without unnecessary frills but with all the essentials covered. The dining scene at Renaissance Sharm El Sheikh Golden View Beach Resort is diverse enough to keep your taste buds entertained throughout your stay. The resort typically operates on an all-inclusive or half-board basis, depending on your booking, which means you will have access to multiple restaurants and bars without constantly reaching for your wallet. The main restaurant usually serves buffet-style meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, offering an international selection that caters to various dietary preferences and nationalities. You can expect to find everything from continental breakfast items like pastries and cereals to hot dishes, eggs prepared to order, and local Egyptian specialties. The buffet spreads are generally extensive, with live cooking stations where chefs prepare fresh items right in front of you, adding an element of theater to your dining experience. For lunch and dinner, the variety continues with salad bars, soup stations, pasta corners, carving stations with roasted meats, seafood selections, and an array of desserts that will tempt even those who claim they are too full. Beyond the main buffet restaurant, the resort features specialty dining venues that offer more intimate and themed culinary experiences. An Italian restaurant might serve up authentic pasta dishes, wood-fired pizzas, and classic Mediterranean flavors in a more refined setting. Asian cuisine often gets its own dedicated space where you can enjoy stir-fries, sushi, and regional dishes from across the continent. Some resorts in this category also feature seafood restaurants where the day's catch is prepared with skill and presented beautifully. The dining venues are designed to provide variety so that guests staying for extended periods do not feel like they are eating the same meals repeatedly. Reservations are typically required for the specialty restaurants, and there might be limits on how many times you can visit each venue depending on your package, so it is worth checking these details when you arrive. The bars scattered throughout the property serve a range of beverages from morning coffee to evening cocktails. A poolside bar keeps swimmers and sunbathers hydrated with cold drinks, smoothies, and light snacks throughout the day. The lobby bar provides a more relaxed atmosphere for evening drinks, often featuring live music or entertainment. Beach bars let you sip tropical cocktails with your toes in the sand, which is pretty much the definition of vacation bliss. The quality of food and beverages can vary, as is common with all-inclusive resorts. Some guests rave about the variety and taste, while others find certain dishes hit or miss. The staff generally works hard to accommodate special dietary requirements, though it is advisable to communicate any allergies or restrictions clearly and possibly in advance. The dining times are structured with specific hours for each meal service, so you will want to plan your day accordingly to avoid missing meals. Snack times are usually built into the schedule as well, with afternoon treats and late-night options for those who get hungry between main meals. The beverage selection includes local and some international brands, with premium spirits sometimes available for an additional charge. Fresh juices, soft drinks, water, tea, and coffee are freely available throughout the day. The dining areas are typically air-conditioned and spacious, designed to handle the resort's full capacity even during peak seasons. Service can be hit or miss depending on how busy the restaurants are, with some guests reporting attentive and friendly staff while others mention delays during rush periods. Overall, the dining experience provides enough variety and quality to satisfy most guests, though those with very particular culinary expectations might find the offerings more functional than exceptional. The pool and beach facilities are major highlights of the Renaissance Sharm El Sheikh Golden View Beach Resort, and for many guests, these areas become the focal point of their entire vacation. The resort typically features multiple swimming pools catering to different preferences and age groups. The main pool is usually a large affair, perfect for swimming laps if you are so inclined, or simply floating around on a lazy afternoon. The pool area is surrounded by sun loungers, providing plenty of spots to claim for the day, though during peak season, the early bird definitely gets the best positions. Umbrellas or shade structures offer relief from the intense Egyptian sun, which can be brutal during midday hours. The pool deck is well maintained, with staff regularly cleaning and organizing the lounger areas. A separate children's pool or splash area keeps the little ones entertained safely, with shallow water and sometimes fun water features like fountains or small slides. Some guests appreciate having this separation, as it means the main pool remains relatively calm for those seeking a more peaceful swimming experience. The pool bars we mentioned earlier are strategically positioned so you can order refreshments without having to leave your lounger, which is the kind of convenience that vacation dreams are made of. Pool towels are provided by the resort, usually through a card system where you exchange your room card or a special towel card for fresh towels, helping to ensure there are always clean towels available. The beach access is one of the resort's strongest selling points, offering direct entry to the Red Sea's famous waters. The beach itself features a mix of sandy areas and the rocky coral coastline that characterizes much of Sharm El Sheikh. The resort typically provides a pier or pontoon extending out over the coral reef, allowing guests to access deeper water for swimming and snorkeling without damaging the delicate coral ecosystem. This is actually a blessing in disguise because while it means you cannot just walk straight into the water from the sand everywhere along the beach, it also means you are literally steps away from some incredible snorkeling opportunities. The Red Sea is world-renowned for its marine biodiversity, and even casual snorkelers can spot colorful fish, coral formations, and if you are lucky, rays or even dolphins in the distance. The resort usually offers complimentary snorkeling equipment, though serious divers might prefer to bring their own masks for better fit and comfort. Beach loungers and umbrellas are set up along the shore, creating comfortable spots to relax between swims. Beach towel service is available here as well, and beach staff work to keep the areas clean and organized. The water is typically calm and clear, with that stunning turquoise color that looks almost too perfect to be real. Water sports and activities are often available, either included in your package or for an additional fee. You might find opportunities for windsurfing, paddleboarding, kayaking, or even parasailing. Diving is a huge draw in Sharm El Sheikh, and the resort either has its own dive center or partners with local dive operators to offer everything from beginner courses to advanced dive trips to famous sites in the area. The beach and pool areas can get crowded during peak times, particularly around holidays when the resort reaches full capacity. Some guests report that finding available loungers can be challenging, especially if you sleep in past the early morning rush. The resort staff tries to manage this by implementing rules about reserving loungers, but enforcement can be inconsistent. The cleanliness of the beach and pool areas is generally maintained to good standards, with staff regularly collecting trash and maintaining facilities. Lifeguards are typically on duty during operating hours, adding a safety element that is particularly reassuring for families with children. The combination of pools and beach access means you have options depending on your mood, whether you prefer the convenience and freshness of chlorinated pool water or the natural experience of swimming in the sea. The views from both the pool and beach areas are spectacular, with the desert mountains visible in the distance and the endless expanse of sea creating a sense of space and freedom that is hard to find in everyday life. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.